Kidamtang chitini phayeng kora player ni Karbi Students Association inglongpho Central Committee atum amithang sai hemalong pherang kya mai kangnipon. Karbi anglong along Angtan pen kevang kebe keche sotum aphi ong nangbat ong sonsi theklong. Lasonsi Diphu Rongnihang Borlang Pher Langsoliet Bokajan Singhason lapen akapre ka hawaralong kebe keche sotum lispen kido phai dopiklo. Lasi lahai keche kebe atum aphan inot bang hini otlang notum ahok he duplicacy documents kaselam pilapen longle lispen kepe katum ington serak natum kali polote KSA atum pen sodak kang sai deng ponpo bangso kang sai long madu aphanta pajok ponpi pusi sodak pen pachini pong anparta karbiara atum chirok tok pen dosi keche kebe asotum rong rubarlo bang pusi tami radatum pen pangtheksi dimklong pekpedenanchi puta KSA inglongpho maipu mirjeng grupen herang kia mai kang nipon put ningchipong.
So coming to the point, as we have seen, recent sporadic incidents against minorities in Bangladesh, we have and also violence for the past 1 year in Manipur. We have got reports that there are some unknown people coming to Karbi Anglong and are now reported to be settling down in Singhason, Khonbamon areas and also in Difu area, especially in Panbari and Rongnihang 2 and Khotkoti and also in Langsoliet Borlangpher area. In the recent past 3-4 days, we have also apprehended some immigrants from Bihar, Manipur, and also from other districts like Dhubri, who have been evicted in elsewhere or due to the violence. They are trying to settle down here. In the case of Borlangpher area, we have apprehended 4 people from Bihar who have obtained a domicile certificate and IDs, fake IDs, I would say, fake domicile certificates and fake IDs being prepared and made in Karbi Anglong by some unknown persons, which we have already reported to the law enforcement agencies. And we have also got reports from Khotkoti areas and from Difu areas where we can see that some suspected people who have entered here from Dhubri and Sonapur area where the eviction has happened. And talking about Singhason and Khonbamon, we have got reports that like people from Manipur are entering and capturing our hills. So the Karbi Students Association would like to apprise all the citizens of Karbi Anglong to be very much vigilant about such influx and report us as soon as possible if they see any suspicious movement inside Karbi Anglong. Now, the Karbi Students Association has decided to go for a visit to those areas, and with the help of the local people, we would try to identify those illegal influx over here, and we will try to deport them as soon as possible. Nevertheless, they are Indian citizens, but they are here in a motive to stay permanently out over here. So I also appeal the citizens of Karbi Anglong to do not facilitate all those suspected people in their places. We have got reports that in the area in Difu, most of the local people have facilitated them in their land to settle down those suspected people in lieu of money. So I request them to just vacate those people and not let all the suspected people without the verification. So we will be also talking with the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council day after tomorrow, and also the district commissioner after meeting with the council authority.
News report, Karbi Anglong Live.